Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I'm on the Carnival Vista, October 2021. I have just a standard balcony. I'm gonna put a key in here. And this is what it looks like when you walk in. They do have a little slot that you have to put, you don't have to put your card, but you can put something in there. You know, like an old library card or just something to keep the lights on if you don't want to have your key in there. So we have the bathroom on the right and storage on the left. We'll start with the bathroom. Actually, I'm going to use that setting instead for storage. I have not unpacked, so I hid all my stuff in there for now. But once I unpack, my bags will go under the bed. USB, regular plugs, and there is a fridge down here. There's nothing in it. So I'm going to scoot back a little bit. I am by myself, but this room I booked last minute. They normally don't let 1 or 2 people in a room that can sleep 3 or 4. They would rather save those rooms for 3 or 4 people, but because we're still having a pandemic, they're not at full occupancy, then it wasn't a big deal. So this room would sleep 4. It'll have a upper Pullman that the room steward would pull down in the evening, and this would fold down. It would not come out all the way like what you would think of like a sleeper sofa. It would just fold down and stay that twin size up against the wall, kind of set up like bunk beds would be. And then if you're traveling with a friend or somebody that you didn't necessarily want to share a bed with, they can split the bed into 2. I'll go check out the balcony. There is a lock up here, and that is something that's brought up by a lot of clients who have small children. They're a little nervous or apprehensive about getting a balcony, but not only do you have that, this door is heavy. Like really small children are probably not going to be able to push it. We're in the Port of Galveston. So I do have cover. And this is what I look down over. On deck, I'm on deck 8. We'll get a view from this side, and that will be it. Standard balcony, Carnival Vista, October 2021.